Previously on building a 240 SX.
Even when you're on your lunch, you're working.
Like if I had like actual polish,
Dang.
like so much better than this. Like,
dude, that looks insane from back here.
It does.
It's gonna be a nice little patina 240.
A little dent in there.
yeah, right here. This is the only one that I found on the whole car.
That's mounted.
Oh dang, that's like a little invisible mount.
You wanna see something really gross? There's liquid inside of there.
Oh, it's black.
So Zach, so what's happening today?
Alright guys, so today we're going to attempt to polish the 240. We did a little spot on the gas tank already, but I'm a little nervous with these white spots right here. So I'm just gonna kind of run the polisher over it and try to get it to shine instead of look flat. Over here we polished the gas tank already, and it came out like, even after washing it, it came out like really mint. So I'm hoping that the whole car will turn out like that. Cross my fingers.
Okay, so Zach just called us on the walkie. I'll show
It's
you guys
not
right
perfect.
now. It's not perfect?
It's not perfect. It's a hell of a lot better.
Ooh, look at this. Oh my god. That is what I'm talking about. What do you think, Shane?
It looks so good.
Hey, this is about to be a crazy angle. Now you're going to be in the vlogs too.
True.
Yo.
But like
Yeah.
I was telling Shane where the wing and stuff was, like that color.
Yeah.
If the whole car looked like that, it'd be insane.
Oh my. Oh, that's the original
Yeah.
green.
But the car was definitely
see that, Shane?
repainted.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh yeah, yeah. You could tell it was painted from all the other
Yeah.
spots. Yeah, they repainted it.
I think
But-
it was like single stage or something.
But
because
that right there is so that's the original green. Dang, what if we just do it the original green?
Right?
be
It
pretty
actually looks nice.
I've liked this color since I did the gas cap right there.
Yeah.
I was like, dude, this
What if
color
we
would be
just
sick.
freaking do this, bro? Then we won't even have to paint the jams or anything and just keep it OG.
And then we could just wrap it if we want to change the
Yeah,
color. It
worst
doesn't
case
have to-
scenario.
Yeah.
But keep it OG because the resale value too. It's a clean title.
Yeah.
And the original green color with the original paint code. And yeah.
I really like the color. Like,
At
if
this
we
point,
could
if we're
get rid
keeping
of
it
some of this
green,
stuff-
we should just keep the interior nice and like peanut butter.
Yeah. Back
What if we do peanut butter guts?
Peanut
Ooh, that'll be good.
Like
we
the
we called
giveaway?
it peanut butter when we were growing up.
Yeah.
If it had orange interior, it was peanut butter guts. Like,
It's like the giveaway at 350Z that you did.
I know something about the green. All right, so I want to show you guys the difference. We thought this paint was done for. Obviously, it's been repainted before because yeah, it doesn't look the best. That's the original color, but look at this difference right here. It is a world of a difference. I could probably take this one off, right?
Yeah, peel it off.
Let's check the line real quick.
Oh my gosh.
A world of a difference.
Insane.
Did you show Sheldon?
Yeah, I called him and showed him.
Dude. Yeah,
He was
that's
wonderful.
gonna be hyped. Don't show him anymore so we can surprise him. Yeah, just be like, yeah, no more
I
photos.
just wanna give him a look.
Yeah, no more photos and videos so that we could just surprise him so when he comes in, he's hyped as too. This thing has been doing a time lapse going to work. All right, so behind me is the 240. That side is the unfinished side. But let me show you guys what Zach's been working on. So we're going to do half the car first just to show the difference. He's gotten so far into this part and look at the difference. I can see a reflection from it. That's how good it looks. Compared to like, look at that. That to that. That is absolutely crazy. I cannot wait to see the whole car like that. Yeah, probably by tomorrow, huh? Because we're doing half right now, and then, dang, dude, you put in some work. You got all this cleared out. Good shit, bro. That's what I'm talking about.
Tiring, so excited.
I'm honestly surprised the plastic is clearing out so
know.
well, too. I mean, look at the gloss.
And I'm
Like,
trying to be careful because I gotta get in this crack still.
yeah.
I'm not trying to burn through it. There's like a couple spots right here on the fender that was like brake clean or something, and they're sitting on there and I can't get them off. But
Which I'm kind of okay with.
yeah,
I really don't mind.
character.
Yeah, at this point, it just adds character. So, And at the end of the day, it is a 92. You know what one of my favorite reasons are on this car? It's a 92. It's my birth year.
Oh, really?
So I'm just like, yeah, like it's like one that we're building that actually like when I was born in Armenia, someone was driving this in the U.S.
Yeah.
So it's pretty crazy.
Look at that. I cleaned up the light too.
Look at that.
It looks crazy.
I kind of love the green with the amber.
Yeah, it looks good.
And episode 4, I threw everything in the timeline. It's literally like 5 hours of content. And that's not even recording everything.
Oh, the.
They still hurt.
I like the automatic.
Oh my god. Give me.
Damn, you're bulletproof like that? Damn, they're gonna get me. George shot me. George shot me. Huh?
The first ones that came in those jars, like done, ready to go, they were hurt.
Oh, they're the professional ones. That's
one of these little packets. It says you're supposed to add an entire gallon of water.
Yeah, because it expands so much, the water
Yeah,
just.
I don't think I put enough water in that one.
A lot of people don't know, but a lot of time lapses we do are just on the iPhone. A lot of filming we do are on the iPhone as well. So for you guys that want to purchase these crazy vlog cameras and stuff, you don't need it. Just start off with the iPhone, since it's always in your hand regardless. All right, so it is day 2 of polishing. I just got in the shop. Zach has been working on everything. Let's go ahead and check it out and see how it's looking. So this thing is looking good, but it doesn't look like we are going to be able to save that hood. It is pretty much all burned through. Looks like we gotta wrap it. We do have some brand new black wrap that's just sitting in the box we've had for a couple months, so we might just wrap it black. But we might just leave it like this as well, just to show the budget build 240SX. But that's what we're gonna be working on. We're gonna see how it's gonna go. We're gonna finish the rest of the car probably today or by the end of next week, and then get the wheels installed and get the car all rolling and hopefully do some slides in the yard. All right, it is the moment of truth. You want to do it, Zach? Let's get it. Done. Even with this hood like being kind of effed, looks like kind of like a tweaker car, but it has character. Has character, man. So Zach's got a little surprise for us. He just finished up the car. Wow, you put it under a cover too? Look at that.
This cover's so sick.
I know.
It's so soft.
Looks so good.
You ready? You ready?
I'm ready. Ooh, look at that. Dang. All done.
Pick up that side color.
Dang, you polished the glass too?
Yeah, look at the front windshield.
Glistening. Look at that thing. Dang, Zach, it actually came out looking so good.
And it's crazy. I can't believe it. Dude, it looks sick. It looks cool, even with these boo-boo ass wheels.
Yeah. Hey, they're stockies, okay?
The boo-boo ass wheels.
For sure.
This side, though, you could tell, you can probably get a little bit more. You can tell the line still. See that line right there?
Damn, so that means you had more effort on this side.
Yeah, honestly.
You started lacking on this side.
What are you talking about?
Lazy bones over here.
Here we go.
Slowed up a little bit, you know what I mean?
It must have been a Friday, huh? It was a Friday when you did it.
Well,
That's why you always, when you get a motor built from the factory, you want a motor that's built on a Monday, not a Friday, because on Fridays people.
So you're saying that I did good on Friday?
No, this was Thursday.
No, that was Thursday.
This is Friday.
Yeah.
Well,
Hey, Let me know when you tear, alright?
No, it looks really good, dude.
You just could have done 10% more effort on the left side. Yeah.
You see that line right there?
Oh, I see it all the way down the hood.
All the way down the hill.
Actually, you can see it all the way down the road. You can see it all the way down the middle right there.
Hey, that right there,
Dark in the center.
that right there proves that you want to build on a
Yeah.
motor built on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Yeah.
not a Friday.
Yeah, his Friday theory definitely.
What day is it? It's Tuesday, first
Yeah.
day back on vacation, and look at this front side. It matches with his Friday job.
What are you
Or his
talking
Thursday
about?
job.
Oh yeah, the Thursday job.
No, the bumper looks so good
And
too.
he like repainted this too.
Yeah.
Oh, check this out.
Cleared everything up.
Look at the, watch the headlight.
The ambers? What about the ambers?
I think only. Right here.
Look at that. No more green overspray. Dude, that thing looks OEM like that. It looks so clean. You didn't paint the bolts?
No, I didn't paint the bolts. I'm going home. I'm sorry. Zach, you know, take the week off.
Dang, dude, that looks so good. Look at that thing, just following us. So that's why I moved. That's why I moved so I can get a different angle.
Dude, that thing's a little creeper, man.
You see that?
Hey, man.
Look.
That's weird, bro. I don't like it.
That's mounted.
Oh, dang. That's like a little invisible mount. Mounts right there. Clips on.
And I cut it around the carpet. So if like, say you need to get to, I mean, we're not gonna have a straight tire or anything, but if you have like the need to get to the fuel pump for whatever reason, you don't have to undo the battery.
Yeah.
It's like you literally just pull
Let me
this
see that
up right
under
here.
Dang. That's cool. And you said these were only made for the Optima batteries, right?
Yeah,
Or
I
they
had
make
to-
them for the Optima battery?
Yeah, it's for the Optima battery. I had to trim the battery a tad bit because it was like a big square that hang over. So I don't know if it was like a newer model battery that like.
We'll put the link down below. You guys can check it out too.
I mean, it's,
Yeah.
it's strong. Like.
Yep.
Snaps the battery.
It's a great product. but-
No, it looks great. My favorite part. I wish this was in good shape.
I know.
This is how you have to learn all the 240 stuff you need
Yeah,
to
it'll
know,
help
right?
you with the 1J that's in it.
Alright guys, so now the outside is completely done. So now the next step is going to be the interior. We're going to take both the seats out and clean the whole carpet, and then go ahead and wipe everything down, clean all the windows, do everything, and get it looking as good as the outside. Dude, it's crazy how light 240 and like R32 seats are and stuff. And they're so flimsy when they're out. It's like ridiculous. Look at 75 cents. Ooh, plus more. Holy cannoli. There's an easy $1 there. I have to go buy myself a drink. One plug over here. And she's out. You want to see something really gross? I opened it to vacuum it out, and the liquid moved. It's actually kind of gross, huh? Yeah, it's like actually liquid still. It's moving and all. Delicious.
Surprisingly, it's not like, once you take the seats out, it's not like miserable.
You should have seen it when I first pulled the seats
I
out.
know.
It was gross.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's, even that stain that you're talking about right there,
Yeah.
it's going to be under the seat.
Yeah, it'll be hidden. I
So-
just wanted to get like the
Yeah, I mean,
smell.
yeah, exactly. Other than that, I mean, it doesn't look
Horrible.
terrible. And I think I just found a clean steering wheel.
Did you?
I think so.
That one's.
Hold up. We're vloggers, bro. This one says minor wear and cracking. It's not minor, but I still just want to see how it looks because the one in that car is trash. So yeah, give me that, please. And then you can hold it and go up to the location.
Hello. Oh, lucky. Third one.
This never happens.
Yeah. Hey, truck. You should just have me permanently vlogging.
It's my air purifier. It's gonna make everything smell so much better than
Oh. What is this in the office? Ooh. Oh.
Here you go. It's a little gift.
So this steering wheel is pretty much trashed. We did have a spare one at the shop. I don't know how it really looks. So let's unbox it or unbag it or unwrap it and see what it's all about. It's definitely not as bad as the one in the car. Some of this leather is actually in good shape.
Oh yeah.
Much better.
At least it's.
And I had the center portion too, so.
We did too, but when you turn, the horn would engage.
Oh, is it the old center portion? Is that the one that's standing by?
Oh no, it's that style.
No, there's a black one. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, when we would turn, it would like start honking the horn and wouldn't stop.
Yeah.
So I'd show them just unplugged it.
No, we'll just put this one. This one should be perfect. Let me see if I can find the 240 SX dash cover on Amazon. That's not gonna work. That doesn't look like that'll work. The only thing left pretty much is the dash that's under this cover, and it's all cracked. And on eBay right now, the only things there are some dash covers, or just somebody literally selling a cracked half Bondo dash for $635. So we're kind of out of luck on this dashboard, other than trying to pretty much put a cover over it or flocking it.
What were the results?
Well, as you can see, it didn't change too much, but it is definitely smell cleaner in here. I know you guys can't smell it, but it definitely smells better in here. And it looks a little bit cleaner. Everything's all wiped up. All these little trays are all clean. I had to clean this one really good because there was that like gooey stuff in there. I cleaned all these buttons, like all around the dash, everything, wiped down all that stuff. We're gonna get like a dash mat for this that I guess it like fits it super good. The other one that we have is super faded and it just doesn't look good at all. So we're gonna get one of those. We need to get a sun visor because this one keeps falling. And then there's a couple of things, a horn button, this little handle cover. But other than that, I mean, I think it turned out a little bit better. And it definitely, the smell part is a lot better. This is crazy. I mean, I never had a car that does this. Ever.